Go.
Oh, that's smart. That's smart.
Ethan, slow.
Now I know how the soldiers and tears of the sun do it.
You went out. Go.
Oh.
Following close behind you.
Wait, watch the mud, you can slip.
Yeah. Ethan, go. Keep an easy pace. I'm right behind you. Whatever happens, happens. Oh, there I go. Yeah, almost went down.
You're just in a hole.
Make sure you cover your corners.
Yep.
Coming over right shoulder. Aim ahead. Stay aiming. Freeze. Holster. Point guard. Right behind you. Freeze. Pick a direction. Cover following right side. Go. Right side. Cover your right. Search.
Next building.
Following.
Oh, they're up there. I'm behind you. He's got to move eventually. Should I go hunt him?
No. Move.
Yeah. I'm flogging.
Freeze. Go.
Flogging up.
That's fine. Take cover. Defog.
Yeah. We might have given that guy a chance to move. Should I go left, should I go right?
Proceed. Proceed forward. If you don't want to get hit and you want to move, now would be the time to come with.
Alright. They're up the hill.
Following.
I don't know if that other guy's there.
I say regroup. Regroup with your teams.
Go from here. They're not looking behind.
Your problem is behind you, mate. You sure, Ethan? I think they're behind you, dude. Someone's trying to hit us.
Oh, hit!
Hit?
Hit.
What do we do? You got hit?
Yeah.
Who?
It was probably that guy I was going to go after.
Good shit.
So I was going to try to jump him over here, but there's a guy over here waiting for me.
What's your spawn look like?
I can't move from the spot.
For how long?
Yeah, how long is the bleed out? I forgot.
3 minutes.
Thank you. 3
Yeah.
minutes. And I already counted like 20 seconds, maybe 15.
Okay, we'll be back.
All right.
He got you good, man.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
But that guy's still waiting. He's watching. Why did he take him out?
Cause he's dead too.
Oh, he's dead too?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God.
No
Alright, that works out.
No one got him.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, watch the window.
That guy at the hill, I took him out.
Oh, there we go. Alright,
No one's gone to get him though. He's still there.
That guy up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I took him. There's a sniper somewhere out there. Don't know where he is.
Alright.
We move when you're ready, mate.
Alright. Yeah. Try to put this guy away.
Pausing video.
Left or right?
I follow you.
No, where were they? Left or right?
Straight.
Oh.
Yeah. Careful. Straight ahead.
Yeah, he is dead. I got one. Yeah, what's up, bro?
Huh?
It's me.
You're red?
Yeah.
Okay. Just watch. Watch straight north here.
Alright. What's good now?
Alright,
I'm on my way in there.
Moving. Do you mind being on camera?
Huh?
Do you mind being on
No,
camera?
no,
Awesome.
no problem. Can't see who I am anyway.
Always polite to ask. Getting behind you.
Get behind me.
Move up.
I gotta reload. I can't move up if I don't reload. I'm behind you. There's a guy over there. Got him.
Got him?
Yeah, I got him. But the other guy's missing.
Look for him.
Away from me. Oh, shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Red. So, I got one guy.
Okay. Regroup. I need more team shots.
If I move from this spot, they'll come down. You think I should still
You gotta
do it?
move.
All right.
Anywhere.
Oh, I'm behind you.
Pick a building. Pick a building.
We have to reach that kid.
You tell me what you want to do.
First, I got the big.
See if you can pick him up.
Try. One more time. Oh. Bro, I got one mag left.
Looks like you have to pistol your way out of this one, man. Yeah? Where?
Okay.
Which way?
Right.
Straight ahead?
Yep. 3, 2, Out of ammo. Reloading. Last mag, bro. I gotta figure out.
Guy in white is on our side.
Oh, he's dead. Someone got him.
Regroup with your team.
We're gonna make sure. You know what? Is there a sniper reach up there or no? There's one guy holding off behind the sandbag.
Like straight ahead.
Yep. I saw him because I see his blue tag. Go with the sniper squad.
Yeah. Mind if I get a shot of you aiming down sight?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, coming up.
Please, I'm
Unfortunately, it's too bright outside for me to see.
I love his rifle. Thank you. Alright. Just wish you could do more work right now. He's hiding from me though.
He's not moving.
No, he's staying still. He's fine.
Hey, is that guy dead?
I hear them chatting.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's our team. If I was able to flank into the woods, I might be able to shoot back into theirs. All good, bro? That's my only idea, but...
We have a couple dudes coming back down the hill on our side, but they seem to be having issues committing whether they want to come down or not.
Yeah, they don't want to play.
Yeah, this one is coming back in. It's, that way.
Red team's moving up.
Yeah, I'm going to cover.
Alright, we should change positions.
Yeah, that's right.
Yep. Falling right behind you.
You want me to just aim at something so you can get the shot?
Sure. Falling right behind you, and we're clear.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, is it going to be on Facebook?
Try to see where else I can put it up.
Yeah.
The amount of editing is going to be a pain in the dick, I'll tell you that.
You got a lot of things to say.
Yep. Got you. No, thank you, man.
Do you want to get our British friends over there?
Nah.
Go for it.
Anyone mind here being on camera?
No, that's fine.
Sweet. That was the most satisfying thing I've seen. Ever.
Right?
Ever.
I don't see anyone up in that corner there, but...
You need to move up with the sniper, because whatever's got the blue team distracted, it's because there's red team up on the hill.
So do you think we should move now or should we stay here and hold on?
Yeah, move up. I'll be right behind you.
Alright,
Good luck, boys. Aim.
I see someone, but I don't know if he's blue or not.
We're at red badge. We got cover.
On the left
You
or
want to
right?
get behind that
Blue.
that tree right there with the tree down. Yeah, but there's a red dude right in front of you. Call your shot.
And we've got each other. Awesome. Oh yeah, my dead rat. That was fun.
My man.
Oh, but yo, I'm out of bullets though.